Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Super excited today to show you something brand new. The grand opening happened today. This is in Panama City, Florida. This is the new Snug Harbor boat ramp. It's really the first of its kind in Bay County, and that it's got a lot of amenities that go along with the standard boat ramp. We got lots of boat ramps in Bay County, but the amenities in this place are really cool. I'm gonna point some of those out to you real quick here. First off, you'll see brand new blacktop. Lots of instructions on the ground as to what to do, how to be courteous to your fellow boaters. Lots of parking for boats and trucks and trailers. You've got a restroom area right over there in case you need the facilities. Down here at the foot of the ramp here, you've got two good wide ramps. Nice and steep, really broad, lots of padding. So when you get your boat in the water, it's got something soft to bump up against, not up against something hard like a barnacle or a dock piling. Don't walk on that ramp barefooted. The concrete is serrated, it's real sharp, it'll hurt your feet barefooted. Wear some shoes. Over on this side, I really like this. This is a staging area. This is telling you where to park your boat or your truck and your boat on the side to get ready to launch, so you're not blocking the ramp. So many people block these ramps when it's time to go boating. They don't think about others that are waiting in line. So the right side, that's where you stage. Left side over here, that's where you're gonna pull up, back your trailer in. And on a busy summer day, this ramp's gonna be hopping. So just make sure you follow those instructions. This zone right in here, it says loading and unloading zone. So get in, drop your boat, and get out. And it's best if you've got somebody to drive and somebody to back off, so bring two to the ramp if you can. Down here on the ramp, you've got stairs going down for access to the boat. You've got wheelchair access here, so this is a nice ramp in case you've got somebody that's got mobility issues. Come on down this way. Nice cleats placed all along. And these nice bumpers here. This is great. It's gonna protect your hull. You can pull right up alongside and not worry about putting fenders out, so you can get in and get out quickly. You've got also access to the other end of the boat ramp down that side, so parking, and there's wheelchair access and all that. Something else I noticed that's pretty cool. You ever go to a boat ramp and you notice that there's people standing there watching you launch and load? They like to stand and watch all the chaos, because most people that go to a boat ramp, they don't really know what they're doing. So it's really entertaining to watch. So you get a nice seat right here. I come down here on a busy day, I can watch the carnage. It's really a great spot. You ain't gonna bring your own chair. Over here, nice picnic area. If you wanna bring a lunch, eat before you go, have a party out here, got fresh water, trash cans, more seats, beautiful shade. Tell you what, I'm really excited about this. So that's the Snug Harbor boat launch here in Panama City. It's right off of 6th Street, Business 98, kind of downtown, close to the Watson Landings Marina, right next door. This is public property, so it's available for all. There's no charge to use this ramp. I think it's absolutely perfect for those of you that are gonna be coming in town, maybe for the gathering in July. For anybody that wants to use a really great facility. The one downtown near the Marina Civic Center, it's kind of in disrepair. It's gonna take a lot to get that back up and going, but this really is the spot. I'm telling you, if you're gonna put your boat in the water and you wanna just do all the nice things. I forgot to mention, there's one more really cool thing before I get out of this thing. Let me show you this. This is something that I have not seen anywhere in Bay County, maybe anywhere that I've been boating. They've actually got a wash down station. You can wash down your boat on the way out to knock some of that salt off. How do you like that? A boat wash and a truck wash too. All right, well, that's the Snug Harbor boat ramp. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you've got questions about the ramp or maybe how to get out to open water from here, just comment below. We'll try to help you with that, or maybe we'll make a separate video for that, kind of showing you how to get out of here. Anyway, we're glad you watched this video today, and if you like this video, check this one out.